Greetings from Golden Gate University School of Law in sunny San Francisco. My name is Paulette Palafox, and I'm the Associate Dean of Admissions here at the law school. I'm really excited that you're about to embark on this wonderful journey through the ASAP program promoted by Clio. It really is a wonderful opportunity for you to prepare yourself to apply to law school. The Clio people that you will meet are going to be a wonderful support system for you to help you as you move through the process. More than that, you'll get to meet some wonderful colleagues of mine at the various ABA law schools that will be part of this program. Please take advantage of asking as many questions as possible about the law school application process, but also take time to learn about what it will be like as a 1L student and how your life might change. Regardless, I know this is really exciting. You might be a little nervous, but it is such a wonderful opportunity. So don't forget to RSVP to ASAP, and we'll see you soon.